Let's sew the belly onto the body. First, let's fit it, but before we start, thread the yarn tail from the center of the belly through the needle. Count the rounds from the very first one until you reach round 7. This is the top point where the belly will sit. Then count down to round 13. The belly fits between rounds 7 and 13. Place the belly on the body. Find the center of the first round and the stitch right under it on the body. Guide the center yarn tail through that spot and out the back. Leave it there for now. Thread the second yarn tail. This is the tail you will sew with. Match each stitch on the belly to the stitches on the body. Your yarn tail is coming out of a stitch on the belly. Insert the needle into the matching stitch on the body and bring it out of the next matching stitch. Clean up any stuffing that pops out as you sew. From there, go into the belly from back to front through the matching stitch, coming out on the front of the belly. Pull the yarn snug as you go, but don't over-tighten. Now go down through the next stitch on the belly from front to back. Keep checking the belly's position so it stays exactly where you want it. Then sew through another stitch on the body. Then go into the next stitch on the belly from back to front. Repeat this pattern. Down through the next belly stitch into the body. Out through the next body stitch. Up through the next belly stitch from back to front. When you finish, guide the needle out of the same stitch where the first yarn tail is sticking out. Tie the two yarn tails together twice. Cut the yarn tails. Push the extra yarn tails inside the body to hide them. All done. Move on to the next step.